How to log in to ClickBank account. So if you want to log into your ClickBank account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply search for ClickBank. And after searching, here on the first search you will have login clickbank.com. Click on that. So it will take you to the login page. So now to log into your account, first you need to enter your email address or your account nickname. And after entering your email address, you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on that forgot password, and then you can enter your email address which you have used to create your account. And after entering your email address or your account nickname, click on I'm not a robot and then verify, and after verifying, click on next. And after clicking on next, you will get some instructions to your email address to reset your password. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create an account here, and then you can create your account with ClickBank. But if you have an account and if you remember your password, then simply enter your email address and then your password here on the next blank, and then simply click on login and you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your ClickBank account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.